Well, the warmest December on record in our area so far. And while sunny and dry weather, it's making for a nice holiday weekend. It is causing some trouble for industries and the wildfire season ahead. Our Ariel Salk joining us from downtown Portland. Ariel, you've been talking to a lot of folks out there in the garden industry as well as some others. What are they saying?
Anything from wildlife, crops, fire season, all that more could feel that impact of this warmer winter. That warm weather this winter impacting local plants. Over at Cornell Farms in southwest Portland, they show how some blossoms are sprouting early, many only blooming once a year, which could be an issue for pollinators.
The standard pollinators, all of the bees and such, are supposed to be hibernating right now, and so when you then have blooms that are open without their pollinators awake and flying around, then they don't get pollinated, and that can be a concern potentially for fruiting plants.
One example is this apricot tree with hundreds of little flowers. The problem, they are here months early.
That looks really beautiful right now is probably going to get hit by that frost, look really beautiful, and then fall off.
Meaning that tree might not bear fruit if the frost takes the blossoms. This could be a sign of a hard year for stone fruit crops across the state, like cherries, plums, and peaches.
I think maybe further down the valley, especially in the warmer parts, we're probably getting a lot of that right now. I don't know if farms are really doing anything to mitigate those sort of things.
At the National Weather Service office in Portland, the lead meteorologist says on top of the warm weather, January has been dry. Oregon is in a snow drought that could impact fire season.
By the time we're looking at late spring, early summer, if there isn't a lot of snow to melt, those trees are going to dry out faster, and that could, support maybe an earlier onset of fire season.
Another issue, the wind. They recommend tree supports or stakes to prop up recently planted trees. And if the trees and shrubs are in pots, take a look at what they do.
They are either protected from the wind in some way, supported and tied to something else that is going to keep them from tipping over, or as a last resort, if there is no other way to secure them, just to let them lay on the ground once, and it's going to keep them safer.
That lead meteorologist at the National Weather Service says Oregon saw a dry start last year as well, but was able to catch up with extra snow in February and March. Still a chance that Oregon can see a normal snow year. Now, with that wind, the people at the nursery were telling me it really sucks the moisture out of the air and the soil. So they've been watering some of their plants a little bit more than they normally would in January, suggesting that you might need to do the same. Reporting live in Southwest Portland, Ariel Salk, KOIN 6 News.
Thanks, Ariel. And yeah, everybody's talking about that wind. A lot of us woke up to those strong winds last night. In fact, those winds brought down power lines and caused some major outages across the Portland metro area today. You can see there are power lines. We caught up with some folks down in northeast Gresham. Earlier in the day, PGE said they were working to restore power to a lot of those folks by 8 o'clock tonight. And as of right now, they have done that. So far, only 3 outages in PGE's system, affecting just over 100 customers, down from tens of thousands. Well, our local ski area is still operating despite no new recent snowfall. Mount Hood Ski Bowl, though, announcing no daytime skiing this weekend, including on Monday. They say that is to protect the snow base. However, at Ski Bowl, there will be nighttime skiing, open because of cooler temperatures that preserve the snow better. Those nighttime hours from 3 to 10 p.m.